Hi, folks. Wanted to say hello and commend you on your progress. I'm really happy with the work so far. If it feels like I've been AWOL this past few days, it's because I'm dealing with a sick dog, and prognosis doesn't look good. But anyway, hope everyone is well, and just wanted to remind you to turn in. I think I got most of them. I didn't make an accounting, but I think I got most of the reading activity assignments in this week. But if you haven't posted it, try to get it in as soon as you can. And you've made some good progress in the discussion board with this, I believe, assignment. I think the deadline I gave was Saturday or Sunday. But since this is a long Labor Day weekend, I'm going to give you until Monday night. But do go back and try to offer feedback to some of your classmates. Some of them may not get any if you stop posting, if you've already posted twice as was required. But go ahead and go back and help out your other classmates who may have posted a little late. And that's it, folks. I hope you have a great weekend. Oh, I'll be grading your assignments. I'm looking forward to the reading habits assignment. And anyway, have a great weekend.